Hey everyone, so I got a new pressure washer from PowerSmart to show you today. They sent this one over for me to demonstrate it, and this one is an 80-volt system, so it's going to run on battery, which is pretty cool. I'll go ahead and show you up close. We'll hook it up, and I'll show you a couple of quick demonstrations with it. Here in the front is where you're going to take the battery in and out. Just pop that little lever, and this is a pretty big battery. There's also a gauge on here to let you know how much power is in there. The assembly of this is super easy. You just got to connect the hose here, connect this hose, and you're pretty much done with that part. Now, the only other assembly was to put on the wheels, which you got to put on the bar, 2 nuts. That's pretty much it there. And then you got a couple bolts to put on the handles, and that's it. This was super easy to put together. It took me like 5 minutes, if that. Now, this does come with a sprayer adapter that has multi sprays in one. So we do have our soap. We got a soap jet. We got a 40 degree, 25 degree, and a 0 degree. And then, of course, you could always still use your old adapters with it. No problem. Of course, with the mention of soap, we do have a soap dispenser where we can fill it up here with either soap or cleaner, and it will travel through this tube, and you'll be able to spray it out and clean stuff. All right, let's go ahead and hook up the hose. We just need to screw it on right here. All right, so the power on and off, there is a little switch right here on the side. All right, we are powered. What's nice, though, is that you can easily wheel this around and take it with you. Just as long as you have enough hose, you can take it anywhere. Now, while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and put some soap in here in the dispenser. I'm going to use some wash or some Rain-X spot-free stuff. I need to get some more stuff. You could also use degreasers and cleaners. But let's go ahead and we'll try it out. So right now we are at the 25 degrees. And then we'll go down to 0. You can also do the soap foam to wash your vehicles. We also have that soap jet. It also works great for just clearing off moss and mold and stuff from the sides of your buildings and from trailers and anything that it's growing on. It's also great for clearing off like some of this moss and stuff that grows on your fences. All right, so I am done using it, and after using it for a little bit, we cleaned the driveway, we washed the truck, and I just did a demo plus some other random spraying the gutter and whatever. We actually still have half of our battery left, or pretty close to half at least. So I'm going to say for battery life, this actually works really well for being on a battery. It only uses a maximum of 1.2 gallons per minute for water. Hopefully this gives you a decent idea what to expect with it, how it works, and maybe some of the battery life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.